Ki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka arfu artarik kadai gasngi kerpang ha shitulup ka perthai ya ka balatip kum ka International Peace Day. Lani kasngi ka bakiri ka perthai ki kren shapang ka shongsuk shongsngan jongki breu hasat lak ka perthai. Ha jawairu ya kani kasngi la Rakhe kerpang daga Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills District daga baperlong ya ka jingya kendo lang jongki dekat ha district headquarters. Hagani lang la sakhi lang daga District Commissioner G jangga Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Giant Hills ka kong CD lalu District Secretary uba Adiam Ubutho u District Organizer S uba Carefully Gasa ka Vice President ka kong Saramai Tariang Bad u Principal jangga Lisi Pearl Secondary School Mukla uba DE Pariat uba lalong kumu kongsan.
Officer for sparing a valuable time, even though we call within a very short span of time. Thank you, sir, for being with us. And man, welcome you. For every time, particular work could be that in the PM. Lalu before, nanti kami district chief dan LP kan di daerah nanti ke vice president dan ke polisi nanti man di polisi nanti. Ini mana tak nanti. Ya, kira orang ki members, nanti ki training commissioners, ki joint secretaries, ki unit leaders, ki repair, ki organization rangers. Jadi siapa ini ke celebration ni, gua aman ke tujuan lah. Dan jeng siap ini ke celebration untuk aman ke one full week yang kami ke gara celebration sejauh ini ke commission ke after a pandemic, ya pandemic. Jadi ini ke senam orang ke one full week kamu orang ke gara.
Hanamido in Japan, where they thought that's a place where Buddha sits there and receives enlightenment. So they built a big gong there, big bell there, and then they ring the bell twice in a year to remind people of peace. So here, as Scout and Guides, as we are in the movement, we are the messenger of peace. We are the messenger of peace because we are to carry the word peace to everyone. As our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was one of the outstanding figures to carry peace in India and also in the whole world. He is the only person, the major factor of the whole of Indian community that helped us to bring peace. That's why we can live. These they are hand in hand, the World Scout and Guides. They are hand in hand who are to bring peace into the world and help people to the whole world for peace. It is through Scout and Guides that these projects are given, and now we find that in Philippines we have a very big office for this messenger of peace. I think if you ever,
as we live in a world full of conflict, violence, as what Madam has said, lack of security in the society. So we are in the association as Scout and Guide. Our duty is to inspire people that we should have this peace. So once again, I request and give this message. We should try as an association of Scout and Guide. It is our duty to inspire the young generation, their student, our student, that this peace should be inculcated in their mind.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.